Hello students, Mr. Yun here with a little instructional video on how I am going to post a picture in the art thread. So I have drawn a beautiful picture here in MS Paint. It's Betsy the Cow by Mr. Yun. So I've drawn it. I'm going to save it. There we go. Save as. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Betsy the Cow. Alright, it's going on my desktop. It's saved. Now, I'm going to put it into Google Drive. So here's how I'm going to do Google Drive. It's over here. I'll load up the old Google Drive. All kinds of secret teacher things in here. How do you do this? I just drag and drop it. So I'm grabbing Betsy the Cow from off the screen, dropping it in here. Just going to load up. Oh, see, there's Betsy the Cow. This is the important part. You have to set the sharing options. So real quick, you can right click on it, share. Now hit advanced, and now you can share it with, you just put it public. You can put it for Pennsylvania Leadership Charter School. Theoretically, I guess, because you're all here, then that would work for you. But for me, I'm going to put it on public for everyone. Hit save. Now I'm going to get a link. And this link is what I'm going to put in the Student Government Forum. Let's load that up. Alright, I'm in the Student Government course. I'm going to go find the art thread. And here we are, our world famous art thread. I'm going to go all the way down. Oh, go up to respond. There it is. I'm going to make a post. I've drawn a cow. You can see it here. And then I'll just paste in my link. Post. Now all the way down here, you can take a look at Betsy the Cow. Ta-da! So it's not embedded directly into the my reply here, but it's still there for everyone to see. That's how I did that using Google Drive. I hope this helps some of you so we can see more pictures. Also, did I tell you that I'm not an artist? I'm a history teacher. This is the best I can do. Alright, have a good one.